So I have prepared a lot for this webinar for you guys, but let me give you a glimpse of what we are going to do today. Today I am going to show you live how you can do product research for your Amazon business. Yeah, so it is so clear of what this webinar is all about. It is all about product research, and I've got so many questions from you guys in advance while you were registering for this webinar. So I have all those questions in my hand right now, and I will also be going through all of those questions, and I will try to answer all those questions through this webinar. I have selected a few questions in advance, so I will try to answer them. And if you are asking me any questions in the webinar itself in the chat, and so I will try to answer them too. So yeah guys, before we begin, now we are going to begin the webinar. I'm going to show you my screen and we are going to do product research and just that, nothing else. So before we move forward, people who are going to ask me the questions in the chat box, please don't repeat your questions. Yeah, just ask the question once. It will definitely come in front of me. My team is also has also joined the webinar right now. Yeah, they are already live, and they will go through your questions and I will be answering them one by one. So please don't ask questions repeatedly. So yeah guys, I am Ecom Adarsh, and I've been selling on Amazon for quite a few years now, and I have enough experience. I have seen 7 figures, I have seen 8 figures on Amazon, but in these days I've been consistently making 7 figures every month on Amazon. So yes guys, that's my introduction. So I'm going to share my screen now, and I'm going to show you a few websites through which we are going to go today. So here are they. Yes. So before we begin, now I have opened Amazon.in. I've opened Amazon.in. So guys, are you being able to see my screen? Are you being able to see the screen? Yeah, so guys, some of you are still not being able to hear my sound. Please active call on internet. Okay, so here is my screen. Now this is Amazon.in. This is Amazon.com. There is not so much difference in between all of these, but here are they. This is Amazon.com and this is Amazon.com.au. So this is an Australian website. This is an American based website of Amazon, and this is our Indian website for Amazon. Now, why I have opened Amazon.com and Amazon.com.au instead of just going through Amazon.in? So there are some specific reasons of doing this that I'm going to talk about further in the webinar. So guys, I'm going to begin the webinar and I'm going to show you some free tools also, and I'm also going to show you this. This is my calculator to calculate profits. Yeah, this is already available to all of my course members, so they already have this calculator, but I will be showing this calculator to you guys, and we will also be calculating some profits on this page itself. So back to Amazon.in. We are going to also talk about some tools. Remember, these are the free tools that I'm going to show you today. So let's start with Amazon.in. Also, at the end of this webinar, I've got a surprise for you guys. So stay connected till the end. So there is some real benefits for you guys that I will be giving you at the end of this webinar. So let's not waste so much time and let's start with the webinar. I think enough guys have already joined in the webinar right now. Okay. So on Amazon.in, the first thing that you can do is on this page, on the home page of Amazon.in. Here you might be able to see best sellers. Now see, the position of best sellers always keeps changing. Yeah, sometimes it is at the end, sometimes it is on the first. So find best sellers option and just click on it. We will do it in Amazon.com also and on Amazon.com.au. Okay, so guys, there are some basic factors that you should always consider before you do any kind of product research. First of all, how much investment do you have? Because you see, there are cheap products and then there are costly products. You might be having an average budget. Let's say you have 5,000 rupees to, okay, let me open calculator for you. Okay, let's say you have 5,000 rupees and you want to sell on Amazon. So in 5,000 rupees, you will only be able to, let me show you. You will only be able to sell one product. Let's say the product is of around 200 to 250 rupees when you are going to purchase it. So if you have 5,000 rupees and if you want to buy a product that costs around 200 rupees, you can buy around 25 piece. Yeah, you can buy around 25 units. So let's say you have only 5,000 rupees. So let me show you some products. Okay, we are on the best seller page. Now here we will select a random category. I will select one of my favorite categories, that is baby products. Now here if you see, they are only showing diapers. Now this is the reason I have opened best sellers for you guys. Now these are the products that are best selling. Now if you have already noticed something, that is all these products are branded products and some brands have the majority in the best sellers option too. So if you see, there is Pampers, there is Mammy Poco Pants, then there is Huggies. Now all of these brands have conquered the best seller page. So what we will do, here on the left you can see that there are some more subcategories. Baby product is an head category. Here are some of more subcategories. What you have to do is that you have to select one of the subcategories. You have to select one by one each and every category one by one. Let's select activity and entertainment. So under activity and entertainment, we have these products. Now again, if you observe all of these products, you see all these products, all these are Chinese products. All of these are Chinese products. All of them. Maybe only a few of them might be manufacturing in India, but majority of them, maybe 90% plus of these products are Chinese products. And also you can see that no brands are available here. You see, no brands are available here. There are some brands, but can you see any branded product with a brand tag? See, there are none. There might be one or two. Let me show you. Okay, this is a product from Fisher Price. Let me highlight this product. this particular product is from Fisher Price. So out of all these products, only we could find one product that was from a famous brand. Okay, here is another that is from Fun School. So you can see there are a very few products. Now from bottom, you can click on next page. Okay, so here are some more products. Now what you have to do, now see, there is no such tool available in the market right now which can just tell you what product to sell. You have to decide, you have to roam around all of these products, and you only will be able to find some certain particular good products. You have to list out them. Now I will open Alibaba over here. Okay, now similar thing we are going to do in Amazon.com and Amazon.com.au. Now what I'm going to show you right now is comparative analysis, not competitive analysis. It is comparative analysis. This is comparative product analysis. So same thing, we are going to find baby over here. Okay, here is the baby category, and what we have clicked on is activity and entertainment. So we will again try to find activity and entertainment. So we have clicked on activity and entertainment. Similar we will do in Amazon.com.au. We will click on baby, and again we will try to find activity and entertainment. Okay, now you have to keep your eyes open. Also I will suggest you, if you guys are operating from your laptop, or you have a laptop near somewhere to you, then please open it and try to do product research with me. Now see, if you do it practically, you will learn more. So that is why I am suggesting you to operate on your laptops right now. Okay, so we are done opening with all of these. So what we will do right now is we will try to observe what kind of products are selling everywhere. See, here are some toys, some stuffed toys. Okay, when we are by the time we are doing the product research analysis, we are finding some good products. I will give you some factors. Now I'm going to give you some random factors. I'm not going to show you like a list through which you can just go through and try to find a product. That is not possible. So I'm just going to give you some factors which you have to consider while you find a good product. So do something, take a note of all of those, and also remember, I am not going to show you how exactly I am finding some good products on Amazon, because it takes hours. I'm just going to show you the method. Yeah, I'm going to show you the exact method that I am using. I'm going to show it to you live. Okay, a few people are asking me to speak in Hindi. So okay, so is there anybody who is not comfortable in Hindi? Please reply fast. If there is anybody who is not comfortable in Hindi, please reply fast in the chat so I can know. Okay, someone is raising hand. Okay, so a few people are not comfortable in Hindi, and also I am comfortable to explain you guys in English. So ओके, अब ऐसा कोई है जिसको इंग्लिश समझ में नहीं आ रहा? ऐसे कितने लोग हैं जिनको इंग्लिश समझ में नहीं आ रहा है? सी गाइस, इफ यू अगर देखो आपको इंग्लिश थोड़ा बहुत भी समझ में आ रहा है, तो मैं बहुत ही आसान भाषा में बात करने वाला हूँ अभी इंग्लिश में. आपको सब समझ में आ जाएगा. और वैसे भी ये पूरा वेबिनार है जो वो लाइव है, मेरी स्क्रीन शेयर हो रही है. ओके, सो गाइस, इफ यू आर only being able to understand English a little bit, it is okay, because the whole webinar is live and I'm showing my screen, so there is no need to understand my language so much. You just have to focus on the key points that I'm going to give and focus on the screen. Yeah, so that's that. So we are going to continue now. Okay, as I told you, I cannot show you okay, it will be a good day if we are being able to find a good product today in this webinar, which I wish that we could find, and we will try our best to find. But I'm going to show you the exact method that I'm using to find a good product to sell on Amazon. So yeah, I've opened 3 websites over here. The fourth one is Alibaba. Alibaba we are going to use to find the price that we can afford, if we could afford the product. Okay, so here we can see that here there are so many plastic toys. Yeah, there are some stuffed toys, but most of the toys are plastic toys, and the whole category is covered with stuffed toys and plastic toys. There are some bags, if you could see here. Okay, so should we go into this category? How we can know if we can go into this particular category? Now, if we are coming to Amazon.com, I'm asking you this question because you have to brainstorm. You have to think about this. You have to think if we could go in this category. Okay, what are the ways that we can find to see if we can go in this category? So up till then, we are just going to go through Amazon.com and observe in Amazon.com what kind of products are here. So you can see that here there are some different kinds of products available. Here here the category is not dominant with toys and stuffed toys. In fact, I'm not being able to find any particular toys and stuffed toys in Amazon.com under baby, under activity and entertainments. Okay, so I'm just going to observe it a little. Okay, so as far as we can see on Amazon.com under activity and entertainment, we can see that these are all utility products related to baby. All of these are utility products related to baby. These are products that can be used for a baby, not by a baby. Yeah. Here you can see that there are Carey Play Yard, then there is Nursery Center. All of these are similar products. This is a walker. This is a play yard with a net to keep the baby safe. So all of these are products that are used to keep a baby safe or to take care of them. Okay, so this is a good category. Let me share one thing with you. This is a very good category. I am telling you with my experience. So now we are going to amazon.com.au. Okay, there are a few questions. There's a question from Rohit. How products can be visible to more people? Okay, Rohit, I'm going to cover that part further in the webinar. Please focus right now on the webinar. Okay, so now we are going to observe in amazon.com.au. Okay, I'm scrolling a little slowly so you guys can also see this. Okay, here we can see there are a few toys, a few utility items. Okay, so basically you can say that amazon.com.au is a mixture. Okay, I'm talking about particular category under baby, under activity and entertainment. So on amazon.com.au, it is a mixture of utility items from amazon.com and toys and stuffed toys from amazon.in. Okay, so stuffed toys are not visible here, so there are only toys. Okay, so one more factor that you have to consider, I'm disclosing one more factor. It is the size and the weight, the dimension. All of this combined together, you have to think. When you look at the product, you have to think, Now look, when Amazon is charging you the fee for the fulfillment process, we are going to focus on Amazon FBA and Amazon FBA only. So when Amazon is going to charge you for the product, for the shipment procedure, what they're going to charge you on? They're not going to charge you on the price of the product. The shipment charges will be specifically based on the box, on the product packaging, the product. Okay, there is a term. Let me show you. Okay, so what Amazon does, let's say your product has this much size of a box. What Amazon will do, for example, your product is weighing around 200 grams, but your box is of this much size. Your box is big. The product is lightweight product, but your box is big. Let's find a certain kind of product here. Okay, let's say, okay, this is a baby mat. Now let's say you were selling baby mats in a pack of 4. Let's say you were selling baby mats in a packaging of 4. So it will have a big packaging. Now what Amazon will calculate is, Amazon will calculate 2 kinds of weight. One is your actual weight, and one is the weight that will be measured from your product dimensions. Okay guys, you are asking me what was the first factor and what was the second factor in the chat. So guys, please pay attention. Please pay attention. I will not be able to share one thing again and again because this is a very limited, we have a limited time. We cannot continue this webinar whole day. Okay, so I will repeat what I said about the box. So while you are shipping your product, Amazon is going to charge you on the weight and on the dimension. Your charges will be based on your weight, on the product, on the weight of your product packaging, and your the dimension of the product packaging. So Amazon will charge on either, which is more. See, if you want to calculate, you can calculate it like this. Let's say your product has a dimension of 20 centimeters into 30 centimeters into 40 centimeters. Now multiply all those and then divide it by 5,000. Okay, and then multiply it by 100. Okay, then we are getting 480. So 480 is the weight that is calculated by the dimension of the product packaging, of the product box, and the actual weight of the product is only 200 grams. So Amazon will charge you on 480 grams. So likewise, you have to select your product. Now there are categories. There is a category up to 500 grams. So if you are selecting a product up to 500 grams, and if the product is weighing between 0 to 500 grams, you will be charged same amount. So you can go up to 450 to 480, 90 grams. Then there is a category of 500 to 1000 grams. There you will be charged a little more. So you have to find such a product. Okay, thank you, Vishal. The first factor is weight. Okay, so again, you have to find such a product which is weighing below 500 grams, or the product should be costly enough that the product shipping charges should not matter much to you, or the product margin should be so high that the actual product packaging and product shipping charges does not matter to you. But unless it is a small item, make sure that the final packaging is weighing somewhere below 500 grams. Okay, so let's now find some good products over here. Okay, so I'm going to open one of the random products. but we are going to go to some other category first. Okay, so I have selected baby potty training and step tools over here. So let's see if we could find some good products over here. Okay, guys, now you can do one thing. Okay, this is one more factor that I am disclosing right now. Open Amazon.in's home page. Now over here, okay, we are taking right now example of this product. Okay, we are going to choose any potty toilet seat. You can see that there are so many potty seats in best sellers. So what I think is that I can find some innovative product but similar to these products, and we can sell them on Amazon. So that will differentiate our product from the market. So all of those who are noting down all the factors, note down that the product should be unique but similar. Unique but similar, what it means is that the product should be somewhat innovative, or it should be having a unique design. Yeah, but the use of the product should be similar. Okay, these are some good product. Okay, so let's open all of these. Let's open all of these in Amazon.com and on Amazon.com.au. Okay, so here we can see that on Amazon.com. Okay, again guys, potty seats are everywhere. Potty seats are okay. Here is a unique product on Amazon.com. Okay, so on Amazon.in you cannot copy any product. Remember this always about the product research. Never copy a product from Amazon.in, but you can always copy a product from Amazon.com or any other Amazon's website. Yeah, I can repeat the question. Okay, so what I was telling is that you can copy product from Amazon.in. You cannot copy product from Amazon.in, but you can always copy products from Amazon.com. Why am I saying this? First of all, what you have to do is you have to make sure that that particular item, or let's say that particular design, is not available on Amazon.in. So here is our Amazon.com, and if we see over here, this is a good product. Okay, I'm talking about this product. This is a really good product, but let's see if this product is available in Amazon.in. So what we will do is we will type potty seat in Amazon.in. Okay, so here we can see that some designs are available over here which were already selling in Amazon.com. Also in Amazon.com.au there are also some potty seats. Okay, this is a unique design. This is a design with a frog. Okay, we will open it in another page, and we'll also open this design in another page. Okay, here on Amazon.in we will just observe. Okay guys, you can see that there are so many designs already available on Amazon.in. So there are two things. either we leave this category and we focus on some other category, or if you want to stick to this category, then you have to find something really, really attractive. Okay, write this down. You have to find something really, really attractive, innovative, but it should be fulfilling the same. Let's say I just opened this product. Yeah, now see, this is fulfilling the same utility. Yeah, this is a potty seat, but it has a different design. It has some good colors on it. It has some different shape, but still you can use it the same way that you are going to use any other potty seat. Okay guys, so this is something a unique product because this product is also foldable. You can fold this product. This product comes also with a bag. Okay, so this is a pretty good product. Okay, now we will see that if we can sell this product on Amazon or not, or if this product is already being sold on Amazon. So this is a product which has a design of a frog. So we will search on Amazon potty seat and we will just type frog. Yeah, that's it. We will type potty seat and we will type frog. Let's see a similar design if it is available or not. Okay, so far so good. This design is not available in Amazon.in, or at least it is not on the first page, even if we are searching potty seat and frog. Okay, so on first two pages there is no third page. See, if you can see here, there is no third page. There were only two pages when we searched when we searched potty seat and frog. So this is a good news, guys. So this generally doesn't happen with me or anybody else. We cannot find a good product this fast. But what we did is we compared everything on Amazon.in, on Amazon.com, yeah, and on Amazon.com.au. Okay, so we got this product from Amazon.au's best sellers, which means that people are already liking it, but this product is not available in India. This product is available in Australia and people are liking that product. Okay, so which it means that people are buying this product and it can also be sold in India. Okay, so this is a good news that we could find this product. Okay, now what? This product has got potential. Okay, now I'm going to explain a few things. I'm going to show you why this product is good. I'm going to cover all the factors that you should be considering. Okay, first of all, this product was in best sellers. So this product is a good product. Second thing, it has got 61 ratings, plus all those ratings are and getting an average of 4.3 stars, which is very good. Your product should be getting at least +4+ stars if it is already available anywhere on Amazon. So write this down, it is also a factor. The product should be getting 4.5% plus or 4% plus. Now if it is 4.5% plus, then it is pretty good, but it should be getting 4+ stars. Okay, here you can see that they are giving this product in blue color also, and the first design was a frog design, and this is just another random design. Okay, it is an owl design. Okay, so this is an owl design and this is a frog design. So we will find both of them. Maybe we could find it from a same manufacturer. Okay, so let's head to Alibaba. The same thing that we typed on Amazon.in, we are going to type it on Alibaba. We will just copy it from over here and we are going to search it on Alibaba. Okay guys, I am also going to show you my profit calculator, so wait for it. Yeah, we are actually going to see if we could make profits on this product or not. Okay, so here are some designs. Okay, see, we are being able to find the same product on Alibaba. This product is available from China. We can order this product from China. Okay guys, now I know in these conditions it is not that much possible to order from China, because consignments from China are getting okay. There are some messages in the chat. Okay, so yeah, okay, thank you Yash for texting that, but I'm going this slow because there are some newcomers who are just starting to understand how Amazon works and how product research works. So this is a little advanced topic for them, so I'm going a little slow. Okay, see here now okay, here we are going to focus on price. We will open some random listings. Okay, let me take this in another window. Okay guys, so are you being able to see this? Guys, are you being able to see this? Here is a product. We are on Alibaba's website. Are you being able to see this? Because I just changed the screen. Are you being able to see the Alibaba page, Alibaba search page? We just searched. Okay, let me check once again. Okay, now are you being able to see? Okay, so now I think there should be no problem in watching to my screen. Okay, so let's continue guys. Okay guys, I get you. The screen is visible now. Thank you. Okay, so now here you can see that, look, $2.5 to $2.6. If we go a little more ahead, $3.6 to $4.2. If we go a little down, okay, this is once again a little unique design, not similar to that design, but again a unique design, and I don't think that this design will be available anywhere on Amazon. Again, say $2.6 to $3. Okay, $0.8 to $2, but as you can see, they are asking us to buy 3,000 units from them. Okay, again $2.8 to $4. Okay, so guys, we are going to consider an average amount of $2 from over here. So what we will do is we will open USD to INR. We will see how much is the current price is going on. So $2 is around 149.8 Indian rupees. Now we will open the calculator. Okay guys, so what you have to do, see, my calculator must be visible right now. Now what you have to do is that you have to type the price over here. That was 149.8 rupees. So let's say 150 rupees. Now whenever you are calculating an amount when you are going to import from China, just randomly add 35% and press is equal to. So this is the amount that we are going to be charged, or we are going to spend on our product so that our product could land in India. Okay, so let's say this is not 202 rupees, but it is 210 rupees. We are going to count the maximum amount. Okay, so back to our page. What you have to do is you have to open Amazon's Kitna Milega. Okay. Okay, guys, here is a page that is most useful. Okay, now I'm going to answer a few questions from you guys. Then I'm going to continue. Okay, see, import procedure. If you guys are asking me about the import procedure, don't worry about it. Just find a supplier, an importer from around your place, and they will help you. They will charge only a percentage amount of the total bill that you are going to import from China. But wait, furthermore, I'm going to show you an alternative. If you could not import the products, I'm going to show you an Indian alternative. So please wait, don't ask this kind of questions right now. I'm going to answer all of the questions at the end of this webinar. Okay, is it a good idea to order from China seeing the current conditions? Now see, being an Indian, I will ask you guys to not order from China right now. But if you think technically, if you are asking me as a technical question, if it is possible to order from China, then yes, it is possible to order from China. There are no, the procedure is a little strict nowadays, but it is possible to order products from China. Okay, question from Hina Agrawal. That is, what is guarantee that the product will sell in Amazon.in after importing from China? Okay, so that is the reason we are doing this product research. That is the reason we are not just selling any random product that comes in front of you, or we are not just going to buy any random product from any random supplier so that we could sell it on Amazon.in. We are doing this product research only because of that. I'm giving you all those factors. That is why I'm telling you to note them down. Yeah. So that's it. That's as many as question I am answering right now. Okay, one more question now, only because it is a good question, I'm answering it right now. How can we check the quality of the product? Okay, this question is from Raj. So Raj, this is a good question because this is the question that will come to your mind. Because if you are not going to sell a good quality product on Amazon, then most definitely you are going to get some negative stars on your products. So what you can do, you can find a similar product in Amazon.in. Okay, then just order it from Amazon.in and look at the quality. That is the best thing you can do. Also, you can order some samples from China, but that can take some time. What you can do is order from Amazon.in, just look at the quality, and then you can return that product. Yeah. Okay, I don't suggest you to do this, but this is possible. Yeah, this is the simplest thing you can do. This is one of the easiest thing. And also, if you want to keep that product, you can keep that product if it is not that costly. Also, sellers like me who are already selling on Amazon will make some profits. Okay, so what we are going to do right now, we will go to Amazon.in. Now here we are going to find Potiseat again. Now I am showing you the profit analysis. So don't disconnect right now. This is one of the most important thing while doing a product research, is that you have to calculate the actual profits that you could make on a certain product. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to calculate minimum profits. Yeah, I'm going to calculate the minimum profits that we could make on Amazon.in. So just go randomly through all this and try to find a similar product, not the exact match, but try to find a similar product that could fold like our product. Okay, let's search Potiseat foldable. Okay, here is a product which is similar to our product. If you can see this product is similar to our product, and it folds like our product. It comes with a bag. You can see it can be folded like this. Okay, so what we will do, we will go below this product. Now here in the product information, there is an additional information. Okay, now let me show you this. Here you can find the ASIN of the product, ASIN of the product. Okay, so from here what you have to do is you can just you can just copy it from here. The ASIN, you have to copy the ASIN code from over here. Go to kitna milega. Okay, now few of you guys might be finding this certain calculator. Now if you search here, you guys might be finding this calculator, but let me tell you that this calculator is not available anywhere. I had the link of this calculator, that is why I am using this, that is why I can use this. Now what you have to do, okay, let's see how much is the price this guy is charging. Okay, here it is $5.99. Let's see how much other sellers are charging for the similar product. Okay, here it is $707. Okay, here again $5.99. Okay, there is $7.99. There is again $7.99, again $4.99. So we are going to sell this product somewhere in the middle ground. We are not going to sell it for cheap. Remember, it is not necessary to sell your product at the cheapest possible price to crack the competition. It is never important to sell at the cheapest possible price to crack the competition. We are going to sell in the middle ground. We saw from prices ranging from 500 to 800 rupees. So we will sell it around, let's say 650 to 700. Let's say 649. Okay, so 649. Then shipping to Amazon cost. Now what is this is when you ship this product to Amazon's warehouse, how much cost are you going to bear? So always enter 5 rupees over here to just take an average. Now what is the actual cost of this product? We just calculated that we are going to count it 210 rupees. So let's click on calculate. Okay, now you can see that Amazon is telling that we could make around 294 rupees of profits out of it, which is not true. Guys, this is not true. You cannot make 294 rupees out of it, because see, Amazon has nowhere calculated GST for our purchase. Yeah, look, if you click on this Amazon selling fees, Amazon is calculating tax on their fees. Again here on fulfillment by Amazon fees, Amazon is going to calculate taxes again on their pick and pack fees, FBA delivery fees and weight handling fees, but Amazon is not going to calculate tax on the final amount. So what you have to do, I'm going to show you my calculator right now. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to enter every information over here and you have to take it from, wait a minute. Okay, and you have to take all of those information from the page that we right now operated on. So what we will do is we will copy each and everything from over here. We were selling this product for 649, so we will write 649. Okay guys, I hope you are being able to look at, if you are being able to look at the calculator right now. Please tell me if you are being able to look at the calculator right now. Just type yes, a few of you people. Okay. Thank you guys. Okay, so okay, I already have the information that this product could be selling around 18% GST. Most of this kind of products sell around 18% GST. So you have to write 18% GST over here. Then there is cost price, which is our purchase price, which was 210 rupees. Then our selling on Amazon fees. Okay, now before I do this, I want to again share that screen with you guys. Now here, if you can see that selling on Amazon fees is written over here. Let me mark on that. Here it is, selling on Amazon fees. Now if you look at that, here when you drop it down, this is the tax being charged on that, 9.17, and the total amount was 60.11. Again, in the fulfillment by Amazon fees, which is here, let me show you, which is here. Amazon is charging a total of 78.12 rupees, out of which 12.12 rupees is GST. So what we are going to do is we are going to take the total amount and the tax from fulfillment from selling on Amazon fees, and the total amount and tax from fulfillment by Amazon fees. So I will just remember it, and we are going to paste it in our calculator. So this is 60.11 and 9.17. So 60.11 and 9.17, and here the total fulfillment cost, it was 78.12 and 12.12. So 78.12 and 12.12. Okay, so guys, right now in front of you is the total amount of profit. Now I will explain you how actually this calculator is working. Okay, a few of you guys are asking me to share this calculator with you guys. So I'm sorry guys, that is not actually possible, because this calculator was specifically made for all of my course participants, and they are actually paying me for this calculator. But I will tell you how you can make one of these calculator on your own. So basically what is happening over here, now see, this is our cost price, on which 37.8 rupees of GST will be charged, and our total price with GST will be 247.8 rupees. Okay, I think Excel is not visible. Okay, is it visible right now, guys? Is it visible right now? I'm sorry, is it visible right now? Okay, I'm so sorry guys for that. So what I did was I just pasted all of those amount. If you could see, selling on Amazon fee is here, the tax out of it is here, then the total fulfillment cost is here, and the tax that we saw from there is here. So when I type all of these amounts, what we can see over here is our total cost, including the cost price, Amazon fees and additional cost, is 327 rupees. Now this includes our purchasing price, our Amazon fees and our additional costs. Okay, if you want to repeat me the process, look, it is so simple. You have to type the cost price over here, you have to type the selling price over here, then you have to type the GST rate, then you have to type selling on Amazon fees that we saw in that page. Then you have to separately type the tax that they were charging us. Similarly, in the total fulfillment cost, we have to type the total cost over here, the total fees, and then we have to type the 1 minute. Then we have to type the 12.12, which was the tax that was being charged from Amazon. Now my method to calculate profit is without GST. I am not considering GST from the cost price. I am not even considering GST in the selling price. I am not considering GST in the tax or in the selling on Amazon fee, or in the fulfillment tax. So there are basically two procedures to calculate the 1 minute. There is a question from Jagdish that why am I charging tax 2 times? Okay, there are 2 kinds of tax that were being charged from us through Amazon, which was the selling on Amazon fee tax, and there was the total fulfillment cost tax. These were these are two different services that we are taking from Amazon. So Amazon is going to charge the GST from differently for both of them. And again, in the cost price, if we include the GST, that will be 37.8 rupees. Our total price is 247.8 rupees, but I am considering 210 rupees. I am not considering the GST over here. Again, when we sell the product, now you see guys, I know this is a little bit difficult for you, but that is why I have made this calculator. You see, all of those who are registering in the course, they are getting this calculator for free. There are a few people in this webinar right now who are already into the course. They are getting this calculator for free. Yeah. So I made this calculator for the specific purpose. I can show you the whole procedure in the calculator if you want me to. Do you guys want me to share the actual procedure in the calculator? Please say yes if you want to do that, if you want me to do that. Okay, I know this calculator is difficult to understand, but it is easy to use. Okay, I am going to share the exact thing that we can do. So what I will do is I will minimize all of the tabs. Okay, so guys, I am going to right now wait a minute, just because you guys want me to share the actual procedure, I'm going to share it. Please don't worry. Okay, let's see. Okay, so guys, I am going to share my whole screen with you, and I am just going to open a new text document, and we are going to discuss everything. Okay, I'm going to show you why. Okay, someone is asking me that this webinar was on product research but not on profit calculation. Okay, if I tell you the exact product research method, and if I don't share the exact method of how you can calculate profits, then this is of no use. Yeah, I hope you can understand what I'm trying to say, because if I'm going to okay, so first of all, I will open the calculator, and what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to tell you how I got the 327. Okay, then I will share this whole procedure on calculator again. Okay, the total cost includes the cost price, it includes the Amazon fees and additional costs. So let's calculate that. So what was our cost price without GST? It was 247.8 rupees. So let's write 247.8 plus there was Amazon fees. So then there is 60.11. So let's write 60.11 plus there is total fulfillment cost. So there is 78.12. There is 78.12, which is equal to 327. 86.03 rupees. Now we have to deduct a few things from this. Now we will deduct the tax, which is 9.17 minus 78.12 minus 12.12, and then we will deduct the GST amount that was being charged to us on the product cost, which is 37.8. So 37.8. Okay. So I will do it once again. 210 plus 60.11 plus 78.12 minus 12.12 minus 9.17. Okay, so here it is. The total charges that are being taken from us are 326.94. So that is 327 actually. Yeah, round figure is 327. So this is how you calculate it. You calculate the cost price without GST. Then you take Amazon selling fees, both fees, selling on Amazon fee and total fulfillment cost. Then you deduct the taxes that were being charged to you. Now there are two methods to do this. One that you can do without considering the GST that we did right now. We took the cost price without GST. Then we took the selling on Amazon fee and total fulfillment cost, and then we deducted tax, which is GST, out of it. Okay, so how much is referral fee of this product? Someone is asking me. So let me show you. This is the actual referral fee. 38.94 rupees. 38.94 rupees is the referral fee of this product, and 12 rupees is the closing fee of this product. Now here you can see that the product is only 0.29 kg, which is 290 grams. So this fits, but this fits in our factor list. Okay, so here it was showing us that it is 294.41 rupees of profits. But in our calculator, when we calculated actual GST, we found that the actual profit is 223 rupees instead of 294 rupees. Okay, 223 rupees is still pretty good, but Amazon's Kitna Milega calculator was giving us a wrong idea about the profit. This calculator, let me tell you guys, this calculator does not calculate GST. This calculator does not calculate GST. So that is why we are using this particular calculator. Okay, so here we can see that we are getting a profit margin of 106%. Now how I am calculating 106% is that I am calculating it on our initial investment, that was our cost price. This is the amount that we are going to pay. This is the amount that we are going to pay and stay. Now why am I saying we are going to pay and stay? Because see, the amount that you are paying for GST, we are going to get a rebate for that amount. Yeah, the amount you are going to pay for the GST, again I'm repeating, you are going to get a rebate for that amount. You will get that amount back, but the cost price is something that you are going to pay to your supplier. So what we did here, we calculate the profit, which is 223 rupees, while we were investing 210 rupees, and we got a profit margin of 106%. So basically we invested 210 and we got more than 210. Okay guys, now there is something called return analysis when you are doing the product research. Okay, so guys, are you with me? Because there are no chats, there are no messages from you guys. So guys, are you with me? Again, if you are being able to look at my screen, if you are being able to look at me, look at my face, if you are into the webinar, if you are understanding everything, please type it, please show me. Okay, so I think we are taking a break. If any of you guys have a doubt, if you guys are having any doubt, please share me right now. Yeah. Okay, please share how to make calculator in Excel. Look, I cannot show you how you can make this calculator in Excel because there are so many formulas going over here, but I show you roughly how you can do it in a calculator. And if in any way if you are going to join the course, also there is a surprise at the end of this webinar just only for you guys. There's a surprise for you guys at the end of this webinar, and it is regarding the course. Yeah, so please wait until then. Okay, so guys, this is how you can find a product, and I was going to share you some beautiful tools with you guys. So let me share you our number one tool, which is Keepa, Keepa. Now while I'm doing this, I'm going to share a few more factors that you have to consider. Yeah, so our first is Keepa, Keepa. What you can do is you can go to your Google Chrome, you can open more tools, you can go to extensions, and in extensions right over here in this menu, open Chrome Web Store. Now in Chrome Web Store, go to extensions again, and you can search for Keepa. Search Keepa, Keepa. Now Keepa is one of the most useful tools that I'm using right now. Yeah, the tool is already installed. The tool is already installed. Now how we can use this tool? Now when we came on this page, if you could observe, now below the picture, after this bullet points are over, here is a table. If you can see, here is a table. Now this is not some information that Amazon provides us. This is work of Keepa, the tool that we are using right now. We are using a free version of Keepa, but believe me, I have never ever paid for the full version of Keepa because they are providing so much of tools, so much of usability in their free version. So there is no need to buy a full version of Keepa. What you can see here is the graph. Okay, this is a new product, so let's open a similar product which is not that new. Let's open a product with some good amount of reviews. Let's go to the top. Okay, this particular product has 1832 reviews, so this is a good product to look for. Okay, so when you go below this picture, you will see suddenly this logo will come in front of you and it will load a few information for you guys. Okay, so here you can see that there is an option available right over here. If you are not, look, this is a very detailed information and it is very small, so only if you could see, you can select various amount, like you can select it in months, 1 month, 3 month, a year, and all time, which is from the time when this product was actually started selling on Amazon. So what we will do is we will click on 1 year. Okay, now if you could see, this is the price that was being offered by all the sellers. Now you see the price was 349, it again dropped to 292, again it raised to 349, again 325. So consistently he is maintaining a price of 349, but again and again he is giving some price drops. So again 349, 349, again 249, 344. So similarly we could see in our product, but this product is not this product was not so old enough, so it is only having data of 21 days, while this product is having a data of 1078 days, which is more than 3 years. So here we can see all the information of all those 3 years, and then you could see the sale rank, ups and downs of the sale rank. Yeah, here is the ups and downs of the sale rank. So you could see that this product is doing good since the time it was listed on Amazon. Then here is the list price. Here is some lightning deals if they were going on. See, he provided some lightning deals. So this is a very good tool. You can use it. You can use it to do some product research. Then there is again one more tool that is from Amazon itself. Just type Amazon in the Google Chrome. Okay, I'm not being able to find that. Type Amazon FBA. Okay, I will share one more screen with you guys. I'm going to share a few tools with you. These, now remember, all of these are some free tools. So okay, so here is Amazon Quick View by Amazon Scout. Then there is Amazon Calculator free extension, Amazon FBA calculator. Yeah, then there is Amazon Scout Pro. Now to add these, what you can do is you can go to Amazon Scout's website. Now here on their website, AMZ Scout. Okay. Okay, on Amazon Scout's website, you could find these tools over there. Okay, in the tools section, there are Amazon keyword search, reverse async lookup. Now all these are paid tools, but in the end, you can see Amazon FBA fees calculator Chrome extension, stock stats Chrome extension, sales estimator, Amazon to eBay compare. Now all these are free tools. Okay, you can use all of these tools to just see a little more information about your products. Okay, now I'm going to take some questions from what you guys asked me earlier. Okay, I just remembered 2 more factors. Yeah, 2 more factors that I'm sharing right now. Factor number 1 is if you want to sell a certain product on Amazon, just think if in the future, if this product goes well, if you can sell it as a private label product. Just think about it. Yeah, think about if you could sell a private label product, if you could sell the particular product as a private label product on Amazon. Okay. Now, what are private label products? Is that you could rename the product according to your brand. If you are selling good on Amazon, then you can invest that kind of money on a certain product. But first, if you have to see if the product is selling good for you. Yeah. So just think if you could do something more innovative with the box in the future. If you could just talk with the supplier, if in the future they can provide you some different packaging according to your brand name, they could endorse your brand name on the product packaging again. Yeah. Okay, so what we'll do right now, we will go back again to Alibaba. Now I'm going to show you guys some more things that you can consider while you are finding a good product. Now Alibaba, this is a good listing. Open that listing. Okay, so are you guys with me? Can you see my screen? I've just opened Alibaba.com and we are going through a certain product. Okay. Okay, I know a few of you guys are asking me about Alibaba. So yes, I am on Alibaba right now. I'm going to explain that. Okay, guys. Okay, I got you. You are being able to watch the screen. So yeah, here what you can do is see. First of all, when you are on Alibaba, okay, now this is some additional information. This is not being covered in the product research, but still I'm sharing this information because so many of you guys are asking me about the supplier details and whatnot. So yes, first of all, on Alibaba, just go to the top and click on this button so you could see many products in one page. Okay, now here we are going to do some analysis of supplier analysis. Yeah, nowadays Alibaba site works slow. That is true. I don't know why, but there might be some errors. But right now at this point of time, it is working well. So yes, we could see that. Okay, below here there are 3 diamonds. Again, there are 2.5 diamonds. Again, there are 2 diamonds, 3 diamonds, and 6 years of experience. 3 diamonds and 2 years of experience. So find the best match. 3 diamonds and 6 years of experience and 5 stars. Okay, but only one review. So again, 2.5 and 4.4 stars, 7 reviews, 93%, 98.3% response. Okay, this seems a good supplier to me. So what we will do is we'll open it. Okay, now you never buy directly from Alibaba. What you have to do is you can okay guys, I think it is 2:23 right now, so I will go really fast right now and I will try to show you how you can find a good supplier. So yeah, like this you can just analyze what are the supplier options available to you, try to find the best match, and just contact them and tell them to provide you their personal contact details, like their personal phone numbers, their personal email addresses. You never have to buy directly from Alibaba. Find a local importer from your area and ask them if they can import this product with you. Give them your supplier details. Yeah, they will talk to them and they will import the whole consignment for you. Okay, now the Indian alternative for all of this is indiamart.com. Okay, on indiamart.com, just give them your contact details and they will allow you to roam around IndiaMart. You can just find random suppliers from there. Let's search potty seat on IndiaMart, baby potty seat. Okay, there are different options available over here, but we will just search potty seat on IndiaMart and let's see if there are Indian suppliers also available over here. Okay guys, just to make sure if you are getting this, if you are being able to watch my screen, if you are being able to watch indiamart.com, please say yes or raise your hand. Okay, thank you guys. Yeah, I know I am taking too much of your time, but please understand, product research is not a short process. It is a pretty long process. When I was deciding to conduct this webinar, I was also confused. So yeah, there are some options available on IndiaMart. You can go with these options. You can see this ladder type thing is available on IndiaMart. This thing is also available on IndiaMart. Yeah, so I was just trying to show you that how you can search on IndiaMart, and you can look on IndiaMart. You just call them. They are from India, so you can directly call them. There you will be not facing any international charges like Alibaba. So just call them, talk with them, ask them to share some product images, ask and just negotiate with them if they are your local suppliers from your area. Just talk with them in your language and try to get familiar with them. Yeah, and that's that for this. Okay, now about this surprise that I was going to give you guys. So okay, how many of you are really interested of enrolling in the course? Because believe me, what I'm showing you right now is nothing in compared to the information that is being shared in the course. So about the surprise, I'm going to give you a discount. Yeah, that is for sure, because all of you were paying so much attention in the webinar today. Like, yeah, you gave me so much of your time to understand. So I think you are really interested to start selling on Amazon. So I'm going to provide you a good deal. Okay, so guys, now what I'm about to show you is my course on Amazon FBA. It is known as Amazon FBA Blueprint. Okay, so here is my Amazon FBA Blueprint. Now, what actually Amazon FBA Blueprint means is that the work that I did on Amazon for so many years, my experience on Amazon, I'm sharing everything in this blueprint. So here everything is available. This is the front page of the catalog. Okay, the features that you are getting here is, look, the price right now, it is 3,999, it is 4,000. Okay, the content in this thing, it is above 15 hours, and it is going to be updated soon, and it is going to cross 20 hours. The validity of this course is lifetime. You can keep this course with you for lifelong. The course language is in both Hindi and English. So all of you guys who are not being able to understand English, the course is available in Hindi specifically and English also. Then this is the course content. Today we just talked about product research, but there is so much more to talk about and to learn if you want to sell on Amazon. Starting from the basics, I'm going to show you what are the basics of Amazon. Then I will show you how exactly you can start selling on Amazon from. I will explain you Amazon FBA, what is Amazon FBM. I will show you some legal procedure of GST, PAN card, all the other documents that are required, and I will show you how exactly you can create an account on Amazon. Then there is Amazon Seller Central. There will be an overview of it. There will be understanding of all the 10 tabs in detail. There are 10 Amazon tabs. Yeah, I will show you all of them in detail. Then there is account health. Then there is account health maintenance tips. Then the do's and don'ts of Amazon regarding the account health, how you can save from account from deactivation. Then there is pre-deactivation steps. Number 4 phase is about selling fees. Guys, there are more than 10 types of fees. If you want to sell on Amazon, you have to understand each and every one of them. So there is a 1 hour long video. I think it is more than 1 hour, but there is a video so long that I'm going to explain each and every type of fee one by one, according to the categories, each and everything in detail in this course. Then there is then there is FBA and FBM perspective. So all the fees will be described from the perspective of Amazon FBA and Amazon FBM both. Amazon FBA is fulfillment by Amazon and FBM is fulfillment by merchant. So both of these are going to be explained in the course. Then there is 10 types of Amazon fees, as I already told you. Then there is saving tips, how you can actually save your products from generating more fees to Amazon, but to give you more profits. Then there is introduction to kitna milega. I already showed you kitna milega calculator, but in the course I'm talking about so much in details about it. I'm talking about GST in so much details. Then there is product, there are successful product qualities, live examples, minimum profit calculation. Then there is Amazon profit calculator, my personal profit calculator that I show you guys today. I'm already giving that profit calculator in this course. Then there is product research techniques. I just showed you one technique today. Yeah, there are actually 4 to 5 different kinds of techniques that you can use to search a good product to sell on Amazon. Then there is on-screen product research. Then there is listing, there is GTN exemption. There are 2 methods of doing GTN exemption, and I just remembered that I updated the GTN exemption video in both of the languages just a few days back. Then there is product listing, how you can list your product on Amazon. Then there is flat file, how you can upload your products in bulk. You can upload 100 products together and more on Amazon with an Excel file template. Now, how you can do that, I have explained it in the course. Then there are listing optimization, how you can bring your product to the front page, the first page of the search on Amazon. Then there are free tools that I'm sharing. There are so many free tools that you can use. There is no need of buying any tools. Look guys, if you are enrolling in this course, that will be the last thing. That will be the last thing. Remember me, that will be the last thing that you are investing on anything to learn about Amazon. Yeah, and then you will also be not investing on any kind of tools ever in your lifeline. Okay, then there is phase 7 about FBA. Everything about FBA is given over here. APOB registration, labeling requirements, FBA appointments, automations, each and everything. FBA shipment process, step by step FBA registration process, everything. APOB is additional place of business registration, if you don't know. Then there are automations, FBA appointments. Then there is phase 8, and it is all about returns. All about returns. How you can manage your returns, how you can reduce your returns, how you can, I will also explain return types, then how you can avoid returns, return management. There are return fees also that will be also explained over here. Then we will understand returns from quality perspective, why we are getting returns and how we can reduce it. Then there is logistics. These are for all those guys who want to sell the products from their warehouse but not from Amazon's warehouse. So there is logistic integration, automation, decreased shipping time and cost. Then I will show you how you can decrease the price while also partnering up with India's most trusted premium shipping companies. Yeah, logistic companies. Then there is ads. There are ads basics and keyword research. Now in the ads I have not covered so much in phase 10, but when you go to phase 12, there is something that you need to know. Then there is phase 11. There are reports, all kinds of reports that Amazon can generate. I will explain all of them to you. There are payment reports, business reports, FBA report, advertising report, return reports. Everything is available here. I have already shared the document with you. You can see. Then there are advanced videos. There are A9 algorithm. Okay, some of you guys might be hearing the word A9 algorithm for the first time. But remember me, if you know how you can crack the A9 algorithm of Amazon, you can rule on Amazon. Just believe me, the only reason I am trending, my products are trending right now on Amazon. A few of my products are generating more than 3-figure of sales in units every single day. And why is this happening even in this period of social distancing? Is because I understand how A9 algorithm works. I keep myself updated on how A9 algorithm works, and I keep my course members also updated about A9 algorithm. Remember, A9 algorithm keeps changing every now and then. Then there is keyword research. This is advanced keyword research. Then there is advanced listing optimization. Then there is advanced image evaluation. Then there is management of Amazon account like a pro. Here I will show you how you can manage your Amazon account very much professionally like we sellers do. Then there is blue ocean strategy of product research. Also, one thing is missing over here, that is advanced ads. How you can create advanced ads. Now because of the lack of space, I could not show everything over here, but there are also videos of advanced advertisements. Okay, now our learning objectives are, see, after you complete this course, you will be able to do all of this. You can just read it. I can also explain this. You can manage your own Amazon account, list your product with optimization, advertise your product, research for new winners of trusted suppliers you can find. You can ship products professionally all over India. You can cover all of the pin codes of India, or you can sell through Amazon FBA. Then you can save your account from suspension, and you can crack the A9 algorithm, which is the most important of all of these. These are the FAQs. You can read it. I will also share these files on your WhatsApp. You can read it then. Then there is additional benefits. There is a WhatsApp broadcast which you will be a part of. I will be personally sharing some product information over there. Then there is product selection. If you are not being able to select a product, if you are doing some product research and you are stuck somewhere, you can directly contact to me and my team, and we will help you through. Okay. Then there is profit calculation. If you are not also being able to calculate your profits correctly, you can directly contact us. Our services are available to you for lifelong. You can directly contact us and we will help you through that. Then there is lifetime chat support. You can contact us through WhatsApp chat, through let's say you can contact us through WhatsApp chat right now. Yeah, I am also working on some different from some different platform that you can contact us, but right now you can directly contact to my personal number through WhatsApp chat support for lifetime. And but believe me guys, once you join this course, you will be needing my support for, let's say, only a few months. After that, you yourself will become a pro. You will be generating lots and lots of profits, and I can promise that. Then there is my information and payment procedure. Okay, I will be sharing a link with you guys. Now in that link, okay, I will be sharing a link with you guys, and in that link I will be sharing all of this. In the particular link, when you open it, I will be sharing it on your WhatsApp number. When you open that link, a few of options will come in front of you, and in those options you can select Amazon FBA Blueprint, and in that you will see the same page that I showed you right now. And so yeah guys, that's it. I think that okay, wait a minute, let me show you that link. Okay guys, I am sharing my screen right now. We are just winding up the webinar just in a minute or two, but I am just showing, I just want to, once you get on, once I share you that link, and when you open it, this will come in front of you, and you have to click on Amazon FBA Blueprint. You see Amazon FBA Blueprint is available over here. You click on that, and this page will come in front of you on your mobile phones if you open it, or you open it on your computer. The same page that we just opened, that I just shared with you, will be available over here, and you can see it is opening right now. Yeah, from here you can register for the course, and you can get all of the benefits that 300 plus people right now are getting from me. Believe me, this is the last ever course that you will be ever needing. This is the only course that you won't be ever needing to buy. I've included everything that I know. Everything that I know is in this course, and everything that I will know in future will also be in this course. I have given a promise to all my students, all my learners, that whenever any update that I personally have, it will be updated. It will surely be updated in the course. Yeah, so whatever updates is Amazon receiving, it will be always available in the course. Yeah, so Yeah, so about the surprise, now this particular course is available for 3999, if you can see right now. But right after this webinar, I am going to decrease the price with for a 1000 rupees. So it will be available then in for only 2999. I am going to decrease the price by 1000 rupees. So the course will be available for 2999 for only for the next week. Yeah, so the course will be available for 2999 for upcoming 6 days, excluding today. So a total of 7 days the course will be available for 2999. Right after this webinar, I'm going to change the price and I'm going to set it to 2999, and you guys can enroll in this with 2999. Okay. So yes guys, that's it for this webinar. Thank you so much for joining. Now before you go, if you like this webinar, if you learned something from this, then on Instagram I just shared a post about this webinar. You can comment in that post and you can give your feedback. Okay, there are a few questions which I would like to answer before I go. So someone is asking me where am I from? So I am from Gujarat. Yes, a few people are guessing that I'm from Gujarat because it is in my language. Come on guys, I am a Gujarati. It will always show in my language. And my age, someone is asking my age. So I am 23 right now and I have been selling on Amazon since I was 18. So actually it's been 5 years, but I always say that I have been selling for 4 years because the first year I was selling on Amazon was not that great. So yes. Now you see, I made this course because I could support you guys. I could save you guys from the losses that I used to make. Yeah. Okay, some people are asking me about the caste. Please guys, don't ask this kind of question if I'm Sindhi or if I'm of any other caste. Yeah, there is a genuine question. Can you post this webinar on your YouTube? Okay, yes, I'm going to post this webinar on YouTube. Okay, that's it guys. That's it for this webinar. Thank you for joining. You will get a message right after this webinar regarding the course, regarding the discount that I'm offering. And see you guys later. See you guys on Instagram. Keep sharing content. Thank you guys. Bye bye.